Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Simply New England Off-Road. I'm going to jump right into this one today. I am super excited. 3-Star has sent another product. Check this out. Oh wait, it's a box. Yeah, it's a box. You're gonna have to stick with this video to find out what I'm up to. Heading north to Tamworth, New Hampshire to an undisclosed dealership. When I get there, I'll let you know where I am. And I'm going to show you what this is all about. Alright guys, so here it is. I am here at Barton Motorsports in Tamworth, New Hampshire. These guys sell a little bit of everything. They have some Kimco products, Yamaha, CFMOTO. They are conveniently located right off of Route 16 in Tamworth, New Hampshire, heading north towards the Kangamangas Highway. These guys definitely are moving some product here. You can see here they got one of their Z-Forces sitting out front, and I am going to take you inside, have you take a look at what these guys carry, and then we're going to go ahead and I'm going to let you know what it is that I'm installing here today. So bear with me, and right, so we've got the skid plate here. We're going to bring it on into the dealership and have them take a look, reveal the 3-star skid plate for them for the first time, see what their opinion is on it. All right, so we got Dale here at Barton Motorsports. He's going to go ahead and take a look at the all-new 800 skid plate for you Zforce owners. As you can see, unlike the Z950, it is one piece rather than 3. Again, it's all made of HDPE plastic, high quality, half-inch. All right, guys, you're seeing it here first at Barton Motorsports, the 800 Zforce skid plate. This thing was just cut, I believe, in the 3-star factory just last week, sent to us fresh. The unveiling. All right, so all of you that have followed my last video, you know me. I am going to have one of the mechanics here do the install so I can get a better video of what's going on. But once again, guess what 3-star has provided? Pictures. Yep, they have given you pictures. Once again. So you'll see here, it's very detailed what they've provided. You just can't go wrong. I mean, these guys are just top notch. You're gonna see what it's gonna look like right here. Again, it comes with all the different parts that you need. As I've showed you before, everything here is all set. So that way when you put this in here, your bolt is going to be countersink. So this way with the countersinking, when you're going down the trails, you're not going to be ripping off both heads on rocks. So once again, 3-star thinking about things ahead of time, making things more convenient, safer, answering the questions that you guys have had for them. Because this was a concern when they originally came out with the plates of things being countersunk. And again, a company like this, these guys listen to what we ask. So this is the 800 trail?
This is the EX.
This is the EX, guys. So they're going to install this on the EX. All right, we're going to do the forklift approach here. Now, guys, you at home, you don't need to do this. We're going to do this today for speediness to get this thing off the ground. Tiny bit. Yep. There's that. Look at that. Up there on blocks, like a showroom look. This is what the existing skid plate looks like. You know, it's not terrible, but it's not great. So this should be a pretty easy install. All right, so Zach's just going to show you how easy these are to pull off. All right, so Zach, what did that take you, like 5 minutes?
Not even.
Not even.
2 minutes.
See, guys, how easy this is? All right, so let me line these up here. So you can see here, you've got the CFMOTO plate, very flexible. Not dogging CFMOTO at all. It's what comes with, and that's why their price point is as incredible as it is. But if you are looking for the upgrade, then you have the 3-star plate, half-inch HDPE, solid plate. All right, guys, so here you've got the new hardware, which I showed you earlier, all ready to go. And Zach's gonna get this plate up in place. I'm gonna try to help him hold this. All right, guys, so we're gonna start this install. So the 2 longer bolts are gonna go one on each of these sides here. Alright guys, so that's all installed now. So what he's going to do now is he's going to come back. We don't want to over torque these, so he's just going to come back with a ratchet and do a quick hand tighten on all of them, and this plate will be good to go. So as you can see, everything looks really nice on here. All the cutouts are there, so you can still get into where you want to do your oil changes. If you have to get into the transmission and motor part back here, everything's laid out really nice. So when 3-Star did this, they didn't just make a plate to cover everything. They definitely made all the cutouts to make things continue to be convenient for you.
That is it.
That is it, guys. So Zach, again, how easy was that on a scale of 1 to 10?
That was pretty easy.
1 to 10, 1 being the hardest, 1 being easy, 10 being the hardest?
That's probably a 2.
There you go. So guys, you guys have seen me do this before, and like I always joke around, if I can do this, you can do this. But this time he did it, but he is a mechanic, so we can't use that. All right, guys, we're gonna do the old vibration test. What do you think?
I think it's good.
Very good.
That sounds good.
Excellent. Unlike the last video here, we actually went a step further, did the vibration test on this. Everything looks good. All right, guys, so I'm here at Barton Motorsports in Tamworth, New Hampshire, and I'm gonna ask Dale a few questions here to let you guys know a little bit more about the dealership, what they have to offer, and a little bit of background. So Dale, give me a little bit of background about the dealership and where you're located and what got you interested in doing this type of business.
Been a dealer for about 15 years. We've owned this business. I've been in the line of work for about 27 years. I'm a Honda Pro technician. I'm an Articat Master Tech, Yamaha Master Tech. We work on all brands. It's kind of what we thrive on is we service everything. As far as machine sales, we sell Yamaha. We're a full-line Yamaha dealer. We sell CFMOTO now. We have for 2 years. I'm also a Kimco dealer, but primarily CFMOTO and Yamaha are 2 big guys. We stay very steady, very busy. We keep up with the big guys, the big shops, even though we're a smaller mom and pop shop. My wife and I, we run the business ourselves. We got a couple techs, so we're a small company, just a few of us here, but we keep up with the big guys.
So Dale, can you just tell everybody where you're located and the best way to get here coming from the North Country and from the South?
We're located in Tamworth, New Hampshire. We're right on Route 16, so if you're headed north on 16 coming out of Mass or Southern New Hampshire, it's pretty easy to find. We're probably 20 minutes south of North Conway in Conway area, where there's a big shopping area for vacationers. So it's kind of a hot spot and a really easy location to find.
Dale, are you able to tell the viewers as far as full servicing parts, mechanical work that you guys might do?
Yeah, we offer a variety of, we work on a variety of machines, we get a variety of parts. We have 3 or 4 different vendors we carry parts primarily through, and then I have probably 10 or 15 others that we get stuff through. We're a Curtis Cabs dealer. We do Colpin, Kimpex, Parts Unlimited, WPS. So we carry a lot of the fly gear. We carry a lot of the Thor stuff. As far as motorcycle helmets, we carry HJC. They're out of Massachusetts. Very good company, very good helmets. We do a variety of steel work that we've been doing lately, which is kind of cool. A lot of the camps up here, the summer people, they love the signage, so we carry a lot of that stuff now. But yeah, as far as parts go and accessories, we can get pretty much anything you need for any machine you have.
All right, guys, well, there you have it. That's Dale. I want to thank him. He let us come in here today and install that 3-star product on one of his machines. Guys, if you're up in the North Country looking for a new machine, definitely make sure you come into Barton Motorsports here in Tamworth, New Hampshire. And again, let's thank this guy for giving us a full run of his facility today.
Absolutely welcome. Thank you.
Well, guys, that about wraps up this one. I want to throw a few thank yous out there before I finish up this video. First off, Mr. and Mrs. Barton, I want to thank you for letting me come in and take over your shop for the last few hours. As you can see from the video, these guys really hooked me up with a brand new machine to install that skid plate on. They lent me their mechanics. They pulled out the forklift, lifted that machine right up. I cannot say enough about this couple. They are wonderful. They made me feel right at home walking around their dealership. Their mechanics were just more than gracious to give up their time. 3-star. What can I say? Nothing but love for you guys. Hooking us up with that skid plate, working with me closely to make sure everything was sent in on time. As you could tell from the video, the install went off perfect. Last but not least, Justin Drake. Justin, what can I say? Just need to thank you again for hooking me up with 3-star. The interaction that I've had between them and you has been second to none. Guys, definitely take a look at Justin's channel online here at YouTube. This guy does so much for the community. He's gracious with other YouTubers. He's been helping me out right from the beginning. He's doing a lot of great events and things for the community. I believe he just got done, or upcoming, is Mud and Mayhem. Check that out. He's got another big event coming up where he's going to have very famous country singers coming in and entertaining thousands of people from the off-road community. I don't have all the details. My memory is not always so sharp. But that's why I'm telling you, go check out his page, see what he has going on. If you want more information on that, you could always send him a message. If you can't reach Justin, feel free to shoot me a message. I can find out what you might need to know and I can get back to you. But Justin has been a huge part of this, and without him, none of these 3-star videos would be coming your way. So I owe him a huge thank you. Again, guys, I'm going to let you roll here, get back to doing whatever you've been doing. But this has been a great day. Big opportunity for the channel. I hope you guys are like the content that I'm bringing your way. So with that being said, thank you again for tuning in to Simply New England Off-Road. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, the like button, and if you want to know about more videos coming up in the future, definitely hit that follow button.